Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this Shopify tutorial we're gonna learn how you can change your favicon on Shopify. Alright, so if I open up my online store and go up to the browser right here, we see this small image. So this is the favicon. So to change this one, we're gonna go back to the Shopify backend, so your dashboard. Now in the left sidebar, we see this online store. Click on that. Go to themes. And under current theme, we see this one, customize. So click on customize. Alright, so in the left sidebar, go and find this one, theme settings. It may also be up here, but go and locate theme settings. So click on that. Alright, so under theme settings, we see this one, favicon. Click on that. Alright, so favicon image. Here we can see my current image, this one. So you should use a transparent logo to create your favicon, okay? Alright, so your logo will be scaled down to 32 times 32 pixels, alright? So to change your favicon, just click on change. Click on upload logo or choose your logo right here. So I'm just gonna click on upload, choose your logo, click on open. Okay, so now we have the logo right here. Just go down and click on select. So this will scale down your logo to this size. So you get favicon dimensions. After that, just go up to the top right corner, click on save. Like that. Go to your Shopify store, click on update browser. And now we can see that we have the new favicon right here. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change your favicon in your Shopify store. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.